Hey everyone, my name is Sean and I'm your chef and mixologist for today. Today I will be featuring the Moscow Mule and it's going to be sponsored by this juice, ginger beer. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also I'm going to be putting the recipe in the description box for you so you can follow along. Now let's get into this drink. I'm going to be making two drinks. I do have here 2 hammered copper mugs, and also they are filled 3/4 of ice. So you want to make sure you fill your copper mugs up with ice first. Then I'm going to add some lime juice. So I'm going to take a fresh lime. I cut 1 lime in half. I'm going to put 1/2 in here. Use my squeezer. Try to get all that out. Alright, use the other one. We'll go over to the other mug. Squeeze this one out. Use my squeezer. Alright, now I'm going to be adding my vodka. I am using a vodka from the Netherlands. So I'm going to be putting 2 ounces of vodka in each mug. So follow along. My jigger is actually 2.5 ounces, but I was able to eye it and use 2 ounces, so that comes from being professional and experience. Now I'm going to add in my ginger beer. This is the ginger beer I was telling you guys about, is this juice. I'm going to actually be adding in the link in the description box as well. And you guys, if you want to go and buy the juice, it is available online through www.getthisjuice.com. It's already pre-sweetened, so we don't have to use sugar in our recipe. Let me tell you guys, it's very, very good. It has the right amount of spice and it's awesome. You're going to go ahead and fill a mug up with the rest of this ginger beer. So, each mug. Alright. That, and now we're going to be finishing off the drink with our garnishes, but before we do that, we're going to use our bar spoon, and I'm going to use this side, the tip side, to stir my ginger beer and vodka. Alright, now adding in my garnish, I did pre-cut some lime wheels and also some I have some mint sprigs for you. So I'm going to add in my lime wedges. I'm going to add in my straw so my mint sprigs will stand up on my straws. So this is one mint sprig. And here's the other one. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to buy the juice, get this juice, please go online. They do deliver and ship to 50 states. Getthisjuice.com. Cheers, everyone. I'm going to take a sip, see how great this drink tastes. Nice and refreshing on a summer afternoon.